Maddie just got that face you want to leave the lights on. Damn. No, actually about that, oh my god, when I was like younger, I hated it. I even sometimes don't like it to this day. Cause they always do that shit. And I tell them why. I don't like lights.
No, I'm like basically like a whole minute slower this time. I just really struggled on 2 parts. It was the fucking white cross, man, that got me. I would try it again. That's some bullshit. Yeah. Let's go. Goddamn time. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. I'm a whole 2 minutes, over 2 minutes shorter than my other fastest time. Or no, a minute shorter than my fastest time. Let's go. You know, it was the universe. The universe is like, Maddie, I'm so tired.